So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive where you have Windows installed on. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on that. And then click on Windows. And now we're going to find a folder called System32. We're going to scroll down till we find System32. Double click on it. And then once we're in this folder, we're going to search for right here, RDP clip. And you should now be seeing this right here. Once you find RDP clip, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Run as Admin. And then click on Yes. And then once you've done that, we're now going to search for again right here, DWM. And you should now be seeing this, DWM. Now once you find this, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Run as Admin. And then click on Yes. And then once you do all of that, see if that fixes the problem. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search and type in CMD. Now, you want to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the command, which will be down below in the description. This one right here. Now once you find this, you want to highlight it, do Ctrl-C to copy it, come back to CMD, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it. And then click on Enter. Now once you've done that, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.